Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 13 surface areas and volume grouping. For that, first of all, we are going to learn about a cuboid shape. What is the specialty of a cuboid? A cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces it has. See, this is an example for a cuboid shape. This box is an example for a cuboid shape. How many faces it have? 6 faces. Which are they? I mark it as a first face, second face, then third face, fourth face, then top and bottom. Top is fifth face, bottom is the sixth one. So total how many faces cuboid has? Cuboid has 6 faces it have. Then how many edges it have? Edges means a line segment, we call it as a edges. See, with respect to first face, see how many edges line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same opposite. First face is opposite to second face. The 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first and second face have 8. The remaining, already this and this side we counted completed. 9, 10. Then same way this side also, fourth side also. 11, 12. This and this side counting completed. So total how many edges it have? 12 edges it have. Cuboid has 12 edges and 6 faces. Then how many vertices? What about vertices? 3 line segment intersecting point, we call it as a vertex. See, example here, see in this box, first 1, 2, 3. These 3 line segment are intersecting here. Same way here, this one intersecting the top. Then here also first 1, 2, 3. They are intersecting here. Then there also 1, 2, 3. So here, so such type how many vertices in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices are there. So what we can conclude? Cuboid has how many vertices? Cuboid vertices or corner. How many corner are it have? 6 vertices. Then 12 edges and total how many faces it have? 6 faces. What about face? Face is the flat surface. We call it as face. Here see they are flat only. That's why we call it as a faces. So 6 faces it have. Now we are going to discuss about how to find out the total surface area of a cuboid shape. Total surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cuboid, or another name is total. Total means full. So how many faces it have a cuboid? 6. So all these 6 face areas. How to find out? Then one more thing. Each face is in which shape? Rectangle shape. See, this is a rectangle shape. Here also rectangle. Here also rectangle. Here also rectangle. Here also rectangle. All 6 faces are in which shape? Rectangle shape. So first of all, we want to find out TSA. TSA is the short form of total surface area of a cuboid. How to find out a total surface area? Here how many face it have? 6. All these faces are in which shape? A rectangle. So we can write it as a first rectangle area plus second rectangle area plus third rectangle area plus fourth rectangle area plus fifth rectangle area plus sixth face rectangle. In a total 6 faces are there. All these 6 faces are rectangle shape. Their areas are adding time. We get the total surface area of a cuboid. Okay. Then see in the rectangle, this line segment represent as a length. This is our breadth. and this is our height. That's why I am marking this part to represent as L, this part is the breadth and this part is the height. Then with respect to first phase, same way second phase, that is the opposite of first phase. There also this part here, this side and this side are represent a height, and this side represent as a length, and this part represent as a breadth. That also remember. And with respect to third and fourth, this is height, breadth. Here also this part for fourth phase case, this is a height and this part represent as a breadth. Then fifth and sixth phase case, this part represent, already we marked that. Here L, the length side, this side represent as opposite side. Here L means this side also become how much L will come opposite. So L, and this part is breadth means opposite side also become breadth. That's why here top part, this is length, this is breadth. Then down part also same. Here L means this part also become L, and this part breadth, this part also breadth, this part also become a length. In this way, these are the length, breadth, height of the cuboid shape. With respect to first phase is in which shape? Rectangle shape. We know that area of a rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth is the formula. With respect to first shape, which is the length, this part represent length and the height part represent as the breadth. That's why length into breadth means first rectangle case L into H is the formula will getting there. Then first face opposite rectangle is this one. That's why here mark it as a second rectangle. In second rectangle case also length represent as L, breadth place here it is equal to our height of this cuboid, height of the cuboid. That's why how to find out area of this second rectangle, length into breadth. Here length is L, breadth is the height of the cuboid. So the H is the breadth of that face. Then next third face again, which is our third face, already we marked that. This is our third face. In this third face, length represent as, this part represent as B, length is equal to the breadth of our cuboid, and breadth represent as the height of the cuboid. So we can take it as area of this rectangular part become length into breadth, that is B into H is the formula. This is with respect to third phase. Same way, opposite of the third phase is our fourth phase. Fourth phase case, length is this one, length is equal to the breadth of the cuboid shape, that is B, and breadth represent as a height of our cuboid, that is H, plus then fifth and sixth, where that fifth is the top and sixth is our bottom face. Top face case, length is L and breadth is L and B. Then at the bottom case also length part is L, breadth part B is there. So L and B, these are the area of this 6 faces. Then how many times length are these two alphabets are the 2 times LH is there, 2 times BH is there, then 2 times LB is there. So which alphabet, which number is common? Take it 2 common outside, orderly right in time. LB plus BH plus HL is the formula for finding. So first we write LB, then 2 take common outside, LB write to first, BH secondary, and LH or HL is secondary, thirdly written. So our TSA of a cuboid formula is finding in this way. What is the formula for finding TSA of a cuboid? Total sum 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula for finding a total surface area of a cuboid. Next we want LSA, lateral surface area. LSA means lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral surface area, how to means? Lateral means not full faces. Only four faces only we consider. Which faces means top and bottom face not consider. Side this two side and this two sides only we consider. Only four faces only consider. Top and bottom side not consider. That's why we can take it as first and face area plus second face area, that is second face area plus third face area plus fourth face area. So four faces only we considering only, remember, and top and bottom part are not considered. Why we take like means our problems are with respect to room case, room, box, tank, like this type of questions are coming there. In room case, floor and top represent as a ceiling, like this. That time floor we are not consider. Lateral surface area of a room asking time we consider. Room has how many faces? Actually, room has a total fully 6 faces. Room is in which shape? A cuboid shape. Only 4 walls only we consider. In which situation? Whitewashing the room. Like these questions coming to where we are actually doing whitewashing. Whitewash or painting we do on the 4 walls only, not painting on the floor. That's why floor and the top part. Some questions top part also removing. Some questions top ceiling also concealing place we are whitewash doing means there also we consider floor place not to consider. That's why LSA means a lateral surface area. Lateral surface area case, how many faces only we consider? 4 faces of the cuboid only consider. Then that's why that 4 faces areas are, and 4 faces is first, second, third, fourth we consider. First face is what in first case area means length represent as L and breadth is equal to the height of the cuboid. So LH is the formula. Second also like our first, they are opposite faces. That's why here area is length into breadth. Length is L and breadth is equal to the height of the cuboid shape. So LH. Then third face see length is equal to the breadth of the cuboid shape and breadth is equal to the height of the cuboid. So BH. Then third face opposite face become a fourth face. There also length of place we consider breadth and breadth consider it as height of the cuboid. So how many times see 2 times LH is there, 2 times BH is there. Which are common there? 2 and H are common there. That's why 2 and H take common outside. Remaining part L and B are keep inside the bracket. Here H is there, here also H is there, 2 is there, here also second time also 2 is. So 2H into L plus B, 2 and H are common. That's why they take outside. L and B keep inside the bracket. This is the formula for finding the LSA of a cuboid shape. I hope you can understand. Next we go through, discuss about a cube case. Cube case, how to find out cube. Lateral surface area. TSA of a cube and LSA of a cube, how to find out. TSA of a cube and LSA of a cube, how to find out. TSA of a cube, how to first TSA means what? A total surface area. Cube specialty, see what is the specialty of a cube? All faces are equal. Which shape a cube case? All faces are a square shape. here square, here also square, here also square, here. All faces are square. How many faces cube have? That also 6 faces. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Like this way we can take 6 faces. Then specialty is all faces are equal and all are a square shape. Square specialty, area of a square is side into side. Here we can get, so how to find a total? How many faces? 6 faces. 6 faces which shape? Square shape. So 6 times square shape area, adding time we get the area of this square. So that's why first square shape this one. So we what is the formula for a side area of a square? Side into side. Here side value we consider it as a. Generally an alphabet as a, that means we can side into side place we can take it as a square. Then second square case also a square. Third face also square shape, so a square. Fourth face also square, that also area become a square. Fifth face also square shape, so a square. Sixth face also square shape, that's why we can take it as a square. Like this way 6 times. So what is, how many times a square is repeated there? 6 times a square. So what we can conclude, a total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 a square. Next we are going to learn about a LSA. LSA means lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area. There also in cuboid case also how many face only we consider? 4 face only. In cube case also lateral surface asking a 4 face only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top and bottom not considering. Okay. So how many face areas? Area of each face is square only. Square cube case. So first side square plus second face square plus third face square plus fourth face square. So how many times a square is repeated there? 4 times. So 4a square is the lateral surface area of a cube. In this way formula are getting. With respect to this formula we are going through the questions. So first question is, so by heart this formula. First question they say is about here one plastic box is the exercise 13.1. A plastic box is there. That plastic box length is given as 1.5 meter, breadth is given as 1.25 meter, and depth deep means height is given as 65 centimeter is given. And first part they asking find the area of a sheet required for making that box. Sheet required for making the box. That is the question. Making the box. First part. How to find out the first part? Box like this way. This box here length is given there. Length is given. Breadth is given. Height is there. Length, breadth, height is given there. Length is equal to how much? 1.5 meter. So L value they given as 1.5 meter. Next breadth is this one. Breadth part is how much? 1.25 meter. Height is this side. So how much? Here problem is height is in centimeter. Remaining 2 are meter. Units are in meter. But here is unit are in centimeter. How to find out? How to convert a centimeter to meter? Divided with centimeter and meter, the relation become 100. That's why smallest unit converted to highest unit means divided with 100. That's why we can convert 65 divided with 100. So we get a 0.65 meter is the answer. Then next, what is the area of sheet required for making the box? One more thing they given that it is opened at the top. at the top. Top of that box is open. That means this box top part is opened. So top part opened means how many face it have only? Top part already we know that 6 face. In that 6 face, top face were opened. Remaining how many only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face only. Okay, that 5 face area find out. So how to find out 5 face area? Here see, these 4 are the walls. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the LSI of this cuboid shape, and a down part represent as bottom part of that bottom part. So bottom also which shape? Bottom is a rectangular shape. That's why we can say L into B is the area for finding rectangle. So easy way is area of a sheet required is equal to, how to find out LSA of for making box is equal to LSA of cuboid. LSA of a cuboid or LSA part of box is added with area of rectangle. Rectangle, why we take a rectangle? Bottom part is in which shape? Rectangle shape. That is the reason. Bottom part is in rectangle shape. So area of the rectangle. LSA of a box. LSA means we know that 4 faces only we consider. Then a lateral surface area of a cuboid box is in which shape? A cuboid shape. So LSA of a cuboid, what is the formula? 2h into L plus B is the formula, plus bottom part area become here represent as length and breadth. Here length and breadth. So area of rectangle is L into B. Value substitute 2 into h place h value is how much? 0.65. Bracket inside L value is how much? 1.5 plus breadth value is 1.25. Plus bracket close after second term, plus second term is length into breadth. Length is 1.5 into breadth part is 1.25. Calculation doing it. First here outside numbers multiply. 2 into 5 become 10. Remainder 1 12. So 120 will coming there. After decimal point 2 place means we can keep from right to left. Here 2 5 set remainder 1 and here 12. Remainder 1 is the 13. So we can keep a 1.3. Then next inside bracket 1.5 plus 1.25. So we can add this number 5, 7, 2. So inside bracket adding time we get bracket outside. We read the alphabet operation sign as into 2.75 plus these two parts are multiplied. 1 to without decimal point numbers first we multiply, afterwards keep the decimal point. 5 5s are how much? 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Then 5 into 1 5 plus 1 6. Again 1 into 5 unit place right. 5 1 into 2 2 1 into 1 1. 5 2 plus 5 7 6 plus 2 8 1. Here multiplicand place after decimal point 1 place, multiplier place after decimal point 2 digits are there. So total how many digits? 3 digits. From right to left 3 places count and put a decimal point. So it will become 1.875. All these values adding time area because how much will getting area because how much will coming there? 5.45 unit because how much? Meter only. But here area, unit of area, how we representing a square unit. So meter square become the area of the sheet required for making the box. First part will get in there. In this way first part we are solving that. Next second part of the same question, cost also asking how much amount required for purchasing that sheet. Cost also given there. 1 meter square cost is given as 20 rupees. Second part they given as a cost of the they ask to find out the cost of sheet if a sheet if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost is rupees 20. In this way they given what is the total, how much amount we want to spend there. So what we want to do, how to find out that second part answer? First step we can write it as cost of a sheet. 1 meter square sheet, how much cost, how much rupees? Rupees 20. Then cost of our area become, how much sheet area become? 5.45 meter square sheet. Amount to find out, how to find out? 20 rupees is multiplied with 5.45. Multiplication doing how much rupees it will coming? Rupees 109 rupees will get it. This is the second part of this question. In this way we want to find 1 meter square sheet cost is given how much? 20 rupees. Our area of our sheet is how much? 5.45 meter square. So 20 rupees is multiplied with 5.45. So we get how much rupees? 109 rupees spent for purchasing that much measuring sheet. That is the meaning of this first question. I hope you can understand this first question. Next we go through second question. Second question, room case is given. Room length, breadth, height are given there. And they says that room is going to whitewashing or painting. How much amount spent for whitewashing? Where they are whitewashing? In room floor is not whitewashing. That's why floor we removed. Then where we consider 4 walls we consider. 4 walls are there. 4 walls are whitewashing and a ceiling also whitewash. Total how many faces? 5 faces are there. 4 walls means it is equal to the lateral surface area of a cuboid. And a ceiling is in the top part. Top of this cuboid shape is in which shape? A rectangle shape. That's why area of that ceiling find out. Area of a ceiling means length into breadth is the formula for finding a rectangular shape. That's why ceiling part also adding time we get how much area we want to spend for whitewashing will get in there. Then afterwards cost also asking. Same like this. The second question. Second question, length of the room is given as a 5 meter, breadth of the room given as a 4 meter, height of the room is given as a 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing, the walls of the room. And the ceiling, room and ceiling at the rate also 1 meter square rate is given rupees 7 point, that means 7 rupees 50 paisa per meter square. Then question asking like that. So find out the total amount, how much they want to spend. So how to find out? We know in this start what are the information we are doing. The room length is given there. How much? 5 meter. Breadth of the room is given. How much? 4 meter. Height of the room is given 3 meter. Then next room case which faces only we consider as C. Here 4 walls of the room we are going to whitewash, and top part represent a ceiling of the room. They are also whitewashing, but floor is we are not whitewashing the floor. So that's why this 6th face were removing, and which part of faces only we consider 4 walls plus area of the ceiling. So we can write it as area of whitewashing the wall is equal to whitewashing the walls is equal to LSA. LSA means lateral surface area of this room. LSA of room that is 4 walls plus area of a ceiling. Ceiling is in which shape? Rectangle shape. LSA of a room, we know that what is the formula? 2h into L plus B is the formula, plus area of ceiling is in which shape? Rectangle shape. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Just value substitute. 2 into h plus h value 3. Bracket inside a length. The length is 5. Breadth is how much? 4. Close the bracket, plus L into B. L is 5, breadth is 4. Calculation 2 into 3 becomes 6. Bracket outside we put which operation? Multiplication operation. 5 plus 4 comes to be 9. Plus 5 4s are how much? 20. Then 6 into 9 become how much will come in there? 54. 54 plus 20 comes to be how much? 74 meter square is the area of our room. Room area will get how much room area, not how much area we want to whitewashing will get in the 74 meter square area where we want to whitewashing. Cost also asking the second part. Second part how to find out? I hope you can understand this. Cost how to find cost asking time. Here same process only of second part. We can write it as a cost of whitewashing. Here how much per meter square is given there. 1 meter square amount is given. How much? 7 rupees 50 paise. Our room area is how much? 74. So cost of whitewashing 74 meter square area, that is 7 rupees 50 is multiplied with 74. Multiplying time amount will decimal point multiplied after decimal point to keep. We get how much rupees? Rupees become 555 rupees will. So it represents how much rupees spent for whitewashing? 555 rupees spent for whitewashing the room. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.